I'm actually going to get right into it. And you really want to know how. You know, how can I blaze my own path? How can I be successful? How can I follow the path that someone else has laid for me to be successful?
Sitting on deuces while the blunt burn. Still raping rap music cause I want more. All money in, it's just us four. It's just copy, it's just Hoggy, it's just Rempor. It's just Adam, it's just Black Salmon, both the fast. Where your 600 bins, where your Rovers at? Where your Cuban links, nigga, where your rollies at? Where your big booty bad bitches stay with posters at? Where you hustle, where you run from the police at? Where you ever represented hope, where the hopeless at? Where you had to take an oath before you sold the sack? Dealt with all the pressure, played it like you never noticed that. Amongst it all, put yourself on the map. Turn it to a booming operation, where your focus at? Where your 600 bins, where your Rovers at? Where your Cuban link, nigga, where your rollie at? I would rather shoot before I run. Pressure on my shoulder where it done. You should try and do what we done. Make $1 million while you young. I would rather shoot before I run. Pressure on my shoulder where it done. You should try and do what we done. Make $1 million while you young.
So if you could tell us how exactly and what deal you did to make your first $1 million.
I can tell you niggas how I came up. Similar to climbing out the grave, huh? Can't be acting like a bitch trying to get saved, bruh. Get that dirt up off your shoulder, step your game up. Can't be chasing pussy, switch your ways up. Can't be fucking off your loot, you gotta save up. So you gon' probably fail trying to play us. Streets ain't for everybody, get your grades up. Ain't about your money, you just looking for a stage, huh? And all that stunting put a bullet in your brain, huh? Stupid ass nigga, you can't fade us. Niggas like, you even raised cuz. Where you come from, where you get your name from? You was in the house, not with the runaway slaves, huh? You wasn't never in the spot when they raid, huh? You ain't really bout it, little nigga, this a phase, huh? I would rather shoot before I run. Pressure on my shoulder where it done. You should try and do what we done. Make $1 million while you young. I would rather shoot before I run. Pressure on my shoulder where it done. You should try and do what we done. Make $1 million while you young.
What's wrong?
This shit ain't easy, believe. Tell me why you mad. Tell me why you mad. I know to you it looks easy. Tell me why you mad. Tell me why you mad. This shit ain't easy, believe. Self-made, nigga, really self-made. And I'll never understand the type of games you niggas play. West side to the west side, Atlanta until I die. Fuck with my nigga Nipsey, best believe a nigga go ride.
I'm screwed.
Tell me why you mad, boss. Tell me why you mad. I know to you it looks easy. Tell me why you mad, folks. Tell me why you mad. But this shit ain't easy, believe me. Tell me why you